In this video, we'll explore the factors that draw women to men and reveal the secrets to catching a woman's attention. Understanding female desire is key to knowing how to attract women and how to flirt effectively. Women are attracted to men for a variety of reasons, and there are certain male traits that women find appealing. One of the most important things that women notice in men is their smile. A man's smile can be an invitation to women or it can repel them, depending on the condition of his teeth. It's essential to pay attention to your overall appearance if you want to make a positive impact on women. Posture is another important factor in women's attraction to men. Good posture conveys confidence, which is a trait that women find attractive. Walking with your head held high and your back straight can make you appear more confident and therefore more appealing to women. Perfume is also important in attracting women. A distinctive and pleasant scent can be attractive and can make a man more memorable to women. However, it's important to avoid using perfumes that are too common, as this can make you blend in with the crowd. When it comes to clothing, women are often drawn to men who wear simple clothes with unique colors. Clothes that are too plain or too loud can be a turn-off for women. Wearing simple clothes with unique colors like black, white, blue, or purple can make a man appear mysterious and therefore more interesting to women. Finally, education and kindness are also important traits that women value in men. Women prefer men who are educated and have a good sense of humor. They also like men who are kind and polite, and who treat them with respect. So, if you want to win over the woman of your dreams, make sure you show her your best side by being kind, polite and respectful. In conclusion, the psychology of female attraction can be complex, but by understanding what women find attractive in men, you can increase your chances of catching their attention. By taking care of your look, having good posture, wearing a distinctive perfume, dressing well, and being educated and kind, you can make a good impression on women and increase your chances of winning over the woman of your dreams. Thank you for watching our video on the factors that draw women to men and the secrets to catching a woman's attention. We hope that this video has given you some insights on how to attract women and make a good impression on them. Understanding the psychology of female attraction can be a powerful tool in winning over the woman of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to check out our other videos on decoding women's romantic preferences and unveiling the mystery of female desire. Thank you for your time and we hope to see you again soon.